Okay, bonjour. Bonjour, mes chers amis. Okay. Today, our topic is going to be the verbs in IRE. Okay, that's the topic today. And we can see the examples here: lire, to read, dire, to say, écrire, to write. So we are going to conjugate these verbs in the present tense. However, for this activity to be easier for us, you can see the ending here. This ending is going to guide us on how we can conjugate the IRE verbs of this type easily. So for je, you can see S is the ending, tu, S, il or LT, nous we have ONS, vous, OZ, il avec S, L avec S, we have ONT, ENT, okay? So let's see how we can conjugate it now. The first rule we have to understand is that to conjugate this verb, okay, for example, lire, we have to remove the RE. We have li, okay, so that we can add the endings according to the pronouns. So the first one, we come here with je, we have je, li, the ending for je is li, so we say je lis. Tu, li, ending is s, to lis. Il or l, li, the ending is t. Il lit, elle lit. Okay. Now for nous, we have li, and what is the ending ons? However, please, there is more slight change here. It's going to be nous lisons. We add s here, nous lisons before ons, and same thing happens on vous. Vous, we are going to have li, then s o z. Vous lisez, okay? And the last one, il avec s or L avec S, we are going to have L, I, then S again before ENT. Il lise, elle lise. Please, this ending is just a sort of a guide, but we should know that on the third group verbs, there are some changes that made it somehow impossible to have an accurate ending, like we have here. You can see that there is changes on here. Okay, permit me to highlight it. You can see here again. Sorry. This again. And so from the plural side, we can say from the plural personal pronoun plurals, nous, vous, il, there are s. Now we are going to take dire, verb to say, okay? The same thing is going to apply from first, second person singular, but from first, second, third person plural, we are going to have some slight changes, okay? So as usual, we are going to remove the RE. And here we have jeudi, IS, tu dis, il, elle, dit, okay. Now here we're going to have nous disons, okay. But vous is going to have another sort of change. Vous dites, like this. Vous dites. Here we're going to have il avec s, elle avec s, ils disent. Okay? Now, aujourd'hui, tu dis, il, elle dit, nous disons, vous dites, il, elle disent. Okay? Now we're going to écrire, verb to write. Remember the rule, remove the ER as usual. Okay. Now we have this Sorry, guys. Copy. Écrit, we have j'écris. Tu écris. Il, elle écrit. For plural again, some changes is going to take place, and it's going to be V. Nous écrivons. Vous écrivez. Il avec S. Elle avec S. Ils écrivent. Okay? Ils écrivent. So this is how to conjugate these irregular verbs. The verb to read, lire. Let me put it in definitive again. Lire, to read. Dire, to say. Écrire, to write. Okay? Okay, dear students, please. We have conjugated the verb écrire, lire, dire before now, okay? Now, for us to understand the conjugation, how it is applied in a sentence, so we are going to do these activities. And the instruction says, conjuguer ce verbe au présent de l'indicatif, okay? So we are going to conjugate these verbs in the present tense. We are going to start from the number one, la secrétaire. La secrétaire dash une lettre. We have écrit here. Okay, the first thing to identify is what subject is la secrétaire. La secrétaire means the secretary, and if we don't want to say the secretary, it should be elle. Elle means she. Okay. Now, the sentence want to say that the secretary write a letter. So for subject pronouns elle, we say écrit here is going to be la secrétaire. Écrit. Écrit une lettre. Okay? Just like this, la secrétaire écrit une lettre. Okay, the second one, mon ami dash ses livres pour l'examen. Mon ami dash ses livres pour l'examen. We have the verb lire, verb to read. Mon ami, my friend, reads his books for the exams. So, what should be the conjugation of lire according to the pronoun mon ami? Mon ami is going to have the same subject pronoun il without s, meaning he. So here we are going to have mon ami lit. Okay, mon ami lit ses livres pour l'examen. My friend reads his books for the exams. The third one, si vous allez venir, if you are going to come, dash moi tout de suite. Now, dire is verb to say, okay? If you are going to come, tell me straight. Tell me straight away. Just tell me instantly. So, vous, we have here, vous is the pronoun. Si vous allez venir, what is the conjugation of the dire according to the pronoun vous? So, we are going to have dites-moi, okay? Si vous allez venir, dites-moi tout de suite. If you're going to come, please tell me instantly. The fourth one, oui, nous dash une lettre pour le professeur. Okay? Yes, we are writing a letter for the teacher. Écrire is the verb to write. How are we conjugating? Are we going to conjugate the verb écrire with the subject pronoun nous? So we're going to have nous écrivons. Nous écrivons une lettre. Ok. Nous écrivons une lettre pour le professeur. We are writing a letter for the teacher. Okay. Now the fifth one, mes amis, my friends, mes amis, mots dash qu'ils vont venir, qu'ils vont arriver en retard. The verb dire is here. Mes amis, mots dash qu'ils vont arriver en retard. The sentence wants to say that my friends, they tell me that they would arrive late. They are coming late. Maybe you have a birthday party. So the verb dire and the pronoun here is mes amis, plural. The third person plural. So we're going to have here these. Okay? Sorry, some mistake here. Mes amis, these. Okay? Mes amis me disent qu'ils vont arriver en retard. They told me they are going to be late. Okay? And the last one for this activity is verb lire, and the pronoun here is vous. Okay? Now, the sentence what to say, you read a journal every morning before you leave. Like you read a journal before you leave for work. Vous dâchez le journal tous les matins avant de partir. Vous lire, we are going to have vous lisez le journal tous les matins avant de partir. Okay? So this is how we can apply the verbs that we have conjugated in the sentence in the present tense. Okay? If you still have doubt, please put on the comment section. Otherwise, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Merci.